name is Manika Sambhu. Today I am conducting a group discussion with these college students and their topic is Future of Artificial Intelligence in India. So they have 10 minutes to participate in this GD. I'll give them 10 minutes to speak, but before that I would like to know their names first, starting with you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chetan.
My name is Sandhya.
My name is Vinit Kumar.
My name is Shailendra.
My name is Shushmita.
My name is Sudhanshu.
Alright, so we can start with the GD. All the best, everybody. Start.
So AI, everyone about the AI. What is AI? AI is just artificial intelligence which have the base of the computer. So it manages the computer and our requirements in the artificial things like whatever we are using in the computer things like we are using the software and softwares in which we do what just make new things to innovate them and have new such type of creativity. And you also know that artificial intelligence make the world superior and make it developing. So this is
Yes, I agree with Shalendra that if we look today world, the Chat GPT has come where you can auto generate your text, you auto generate the lines of codes, you auto generate the poetry, essays, emails, so lots of things you can do. You just have to write your own desired text on the prompt and you will get what you want, what you desire. So this is the power of AI that you can do lots of stuff, lots of things, just sitting at one place and just doing. Just you have to move, just you have to move your fingers and you get the answer on your screen.
Okay, I agree with Sushmita. AI is a piece of science that basically works for marketing and development. After AI come in India, India GDP increase with 50%, and it's also help us to for healthcare, medical, like science, and it make our life very easy. With the help of AI, the person who is doesn't able to do something like the people who is old age and there is not for walking, and AI make a lot of instruments for help it. That's why all the people work and do easily.
Yeah, no doubt, AI is becoming a revolutionary technology, and nowadays we can see so many features. Also, we are using it to very advanced level, and now the AI is becoming a reality from fantasy. So there are so many examples, like we can see driverless car. Even AI helps for special ones to help the things which are there lacking, and there are various other things also.
I want to know things in which AI sometimes AI become very good for us, but sometimes it is harmful for us because we are making AI in the different levels like intermediate, super level, and now AI has come on that level where we can make the robots and they can also feel emotions and they think and they also do everything whatever human can.
AI can also make so many works easy to work. Like regularly, you can use virtual assistants, Google, Siri, Alexa. The AI work so many things. But AI also can harm, of course, because an AI can make so many bots like in. Chatbots can talk about ourselves and that can convey in their feelings and so many things.
AI is basically of a cyber security purposes. Like a no error detection, error free, just like a human nature, human not human error, just like a driverless applications. Say metro example, metro driverless, no error free, equally fluently transferring, traveling easily way, and the future is best, but limitation. It's just about just humans lose our job, sometimes problems, probability. Like it's a limitation, particular subjects, particular areas according.
And even though during lockdown you could see the global economy was shrinking, and that time even the business was downturning. So during that time, AI actually become responsible for efficient workflow for the business. Like there is actually AI based Notion which actually could help you in tracking your project and to make your to do list, to manage your schedules and everything. And in business purpose, AI is helping in data management, in automation to speed up your workflow, and it's also identify a particular trend or pattern. So you can identify the fraud activity happening within the internal organization.
Yes, as Susmita said, with the help of AIC we can do automation, and it will give us the accurate result. And using 5G and AI, the engineer make a surgery robotic. Behalf of this, doctors can surgery with the help of robot. And also, as AI have a profit, and it also have a disadvantage. Like it's a lack of creativity and employment. That's all.
So as Chetan has said about it, so I want to add like he said 5G technology, which is based on AI. So 5G technology is very useful for us. That I went to the Pragati Maidan, I for the 5G innovation. So what I see, there is a machine which used for operation, and they tell me about that we can operate this machine from the other country, and which is very useful for us because it helping our self for if we having an emergency, someone get the treatment. So the doctor is in the other country, and it will take too much time to come here. So what they do, they just connect the machine and they can work by that country, and the work is responding in our country, and that the surgery can be done.
I will agree with you, Salender, but it's particular is purposely. Just it's wrong ways, wrong hands is the control. It's AI mechanical parts. It's controllable. It's uncontrollable. It's lack of damages. It's destroy. It's about.
Yes,
I agree with
Two
Vinit.
more minutes. Whosoever
I
wants
agree,
to speak can
I
speak.
agree with Vinit because AI can also work with automated. It can work without any with man, yeah, working with man. It automated can work and can make so many gadgets, and they chat with in like virtually. Virtually can backend means work so many things, and can make harm also after beyond the people. In 2017, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg can tell that in Facebook have so many chatbots can come and talking with their AI, and the convenient security that it stop them.
Yes, as Vineet said that if it goes to the wrong hands, it definitely would create a lot of problems and destroy the functionality of algorithms and all the domains. So it's actually should be taken in the right hands, and also because of AI, there's things means you can say that there's unemployment is also could be a problem because of AI. AI propagation, and means like loss of certain job, and in shift in human experience means people have to tackle with the new you can say technology with the new progress.
Yeah, no doubt AI is becoming more smoothly, means making our work smoothly, but somewhere it is lacking, like it causes unemployment, and that is really causing people to face so many difficulties in our life. In recently we have seen that in the many tech companies people have fired their employees because AI has replaced their employment, and the work which is used to buy 200 people, now a single AI machine can done that work. So they are just firing their employees and they are becoming unemployed.
All right,
Yes.
time up. So any one of you can conclude the GT.
Okay, so on the behalf of everyone here, we conclude that AI actually holds a very lots of importance in our life, in our daily we use it in our daily life, day-to-day life, and but along with that, it's all holding its own negative and damaging things and problems. So definitely, obviously, like everything has its own two sides. So yeah, if there is advantage, there is disadvantage also. So we need to proportionalize
Equally.
yeah, there.
All right, it was a great GD. Let's clap for the group and clap for yourself also. Good. So amongst the boys, I felt that Shailendra showed leadership skills more, and the way he participated, he had good points to say. And amongst the girls, it was Sushmita. So I will just tell you all to clap for both of them first, because they have participated in the best way. Otherwise, you all tried your level best. Everybody was listening carefully. Maturity level was there. You were listening, but you all need to practice more for improvement. That's it from my end. Thank you for your